Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox iPhone 12 Pro Gold. Okay, so we have two boxes here, so we compare it to the old one, which is iPhone 11. So we see here it's almost double the thickness, almost double. Okay, so this is previous iPhone 11, previous year. So we have these two, so we're gonna unbox one of them, right? So let's open it like this, like that, and then so we took it out of plastics. Here how the plastic looks like. This green arrow. This is the box. Box actually looks nicer without the plastic. Open. This is the phone. No plastic on the back. Put it on the side for a second. We have manual. Have Apple sticker, this, and SIM tool. And just the cable, that's it. No more, no other accessories, that's it. Okay, so USB-C to Lightning. Okay, so USB-C goes into power adapter and Lightning goes into iPhone. Okay, so let's open it over here. This is a new kind of plastic, paper kind of. Yeah. This is the phone. Looks very nice. Power button over here, volume, SIM tool here, SIM card. That's the phone. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.